Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. You al ikhwa fil Islam. If you are watching me now, you are highly welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips. So you all know we learn Arabic here together, and I'm here for you. So wait, don't scroll. You are going to pick some words today inshallah in Arabic, and you can be able to speak Arabic, to start speaking. So let me tell you something first. You know, if you are a Arabic learner, if you want to learn Arabic, so anything they teach you, try and be speaking it, try and be saying it. So now let's pick one word. Now if they said kaifa haluka, they mean how are you? Kaifa haluka, how are you? How are you? You are going to say ana bikhair. Ana bikhair, I am fine. You are going to say ana bikhair, I am fine. Do you understand? So you are going to say ana bikhair. Then if anyone said min aina ji'ta, he means where are you from? Min aina ji'ta, where are you from? You are going to reply with ji'tu min al-bayt. Ji'tu min al-bayt, I am from house. That means if you come from house, you are going to say ana ji'tu min al-bayt. If it's from market, you are going to say ji'tu min al-suq. If you are from shop, you are going to say ji'tu min al-dukan. So all is what? The same. It's just the words of the like house now is bait. Souk is market. Do you get it? So if you are here with me, comment Uridu an ata'allamu al-Arabiyya, or comment I want to learn Arabic, so I know what, and comment what you want me to translate next in my video. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Ma salam.